This is from Santa Barbara, the flat roof top. We have a 2x4 that's running right here that's rotted out, and the one coming across the front. We're gonna have to cut these 1x8s open and try to get this more secured. It's dipping down. As you can see right here, there's rotted wood. It's all gotta be replaced. So anyways, that's what we're getting ready to do. We have to get inside and jack this roof up a little bit. It's sagging about 4 inches and it's not even secured from here all the way to here.